Welcome to Hope Talker English.
Coming. You must be Edmund, right?
Yes, I am Edmund.
Nice to meet you. This is my daughter, Judy.
Nice to meet you, Judy.
Nice to meet you too. Please have a seat.
I am so happy to see you here. What would you like to drink? Coffee or soda?
Coffee, please.
I will be back. He is very rich. He wants to invest in our company. He can save our company. I must impress him. I can't live poor life. I have to impress him.
I love it. The coffee is great.
Thanks.
Judy, he is going to invest his shares in our company. We will survive. Everything will be fine in a week.
Thank you so much.
It's nothing. I will be joining your company. We will grow this company together.
Sure. It's lovely, my son. I believe it, you made it.
I am glad you liked it, Mom.
How did you buy this stuff?
I spent all my savings, Mom. I don't have a single penny in my account. I hope my business will grow soon.
It will, my son. I will support you in any situation.
Thanks, Mom.
You are going to post these pictures on Facebook, right?
Yes, Mom. People will see these pictures and contact me if they like it.
You are so talented, my son. People will definitely like it. Dad, we will survive. I am so happy.
I told you, my daughter. But your account is freeze now. You can't use it.
Oh no. I will figure out something. Dad, send me Edmund's number.
Why? Are you gonna call him?
Yes, New Year is coming soon. We will have fun at the party.
He is not your friend. So please, don't involve him in your games.
Oh come on, Dad. I will handle him. He will be my friend soon.
Okay. I will text you.
Hey Judy. Why did you call me? Is everything okay? Hang on a minute. I am just gonna complete this movie. What the hell? I have to bear it. She has money, that's why I need to be calm. Finally finished movie. Okay, now tell me what's the matter? You know, my account is empty, that's why I have to cut down my expenses. Great thinking. And you know, when we go shopping, I always pay your bills and also pay food bills. Yeah, I know. You took me with you all the time. You know, we are best friends, and we should help each other. I always helped you. I know. What do you want from me? I need some money. Can I borrow $400? I will pay you after 1 week. I promise. What? $400? Are you kidding me? I am not kidding. I really need some money. I think she is broke. I should go from here. What are you thinking? I brought your expensive dresses. I took you amazing restaurant. You can't even give me $400. Listen, I don't have money at all. I just got my job. I was not expecting this from you. Oh come on. I think I should go now. When I had money, you were with me. I am broke now, you are leaving me. Selfish girl. Enough is enough. I can't stand it now. You are selfish and greedy. Poor girl. How dare you to talk to me like this? You live on my money. What rubbish. You are greedy and broke. You know what? You deserve that, salesman. Shut your mouth. Get out. Get out from here. Never show me your face again. I hate you. I hate you too. Besides, you are broke. Who wants to see you? Me? Never. How was your day, my son?
It was great, Mom. When my business will grow, I will leave this job.
It will grow, my son. Everything takes time.
Let's see, Mom.
Who is calling, my son?
I don't know. Hello.
Am I talking to John?
Yes, it's me.
I really like your post. I would like to purchase the dress.
Really? Yeah, sure. You can put your credit card information and purchase it online. I will send your dress and your address. Just write your name and address.
Got it. Thanks.
Thanks for calling.
What happened, my son?
She was our first client, Mom. She bought a dress. I earned $400 in a day.
I am so happy. You will be earning more money, my son. God bless you.
I hope so.
Hi, Edmund. It's Judy. I hope I am not disturbing you.
Yes, Miss Judy.
Can we meet this evening? I need to talk to you about business.
Yes, we can meet. Where do you want to meet?
I will send you the location.
Judy, where are you going?
Dad, I am going to meet Edmund.
What?
I will trap him, Dad. He will marry me. He is a rich guy. I can't let him go.
That's my girl. Go and trap him. We will get his property.
I need to use card, Dad.
Here you go. Spend wisely.
You don't need to worry about it, Dad.
Hi, Miss Judy.
Oh, come on. You can call me Judy.
How nice she is. I like her personality.
Please have a seat. Did you like this place?
I love it. So what do you want to say?
I will join the company as well. We will work together. And I would like to thank you. You saved our company.
It's nothing. I would love to work with you.
Me too. You are really handsome and hardworking. I really like your personality.
Thank you. You are gorgeous as well.
Thanks. Today is a New Year's Eve. I wish I had a good friend. Come on, say something.
Can I be your friend?
Yeah. Sure. You are an honest man. We are friends from now on.
You can call me Edmund. I really enjoyed your company. Thanks for inviting me. And I found a great friend.
I also enjoy your company. You are in my control. Just wait and watch. You will propose me soon.
Judy, what happened?
Nothing.
Judy, can I hold your hand?
Yeah. Sure. We are going to enter in 2023.
Judy, I want to say something.
I am listening.
I know it's a little bit weird. This is our second meeting. But
What?
I love you. Will you marry me?
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. I know you are going to love it.